Nintendo. Um, what's going on, everybody? My name is Fluttershy, and today, well, tonight, we're gonna continue Animal Crossing. And day 7, I guess? I don't know. What do we on? What day are we on? Yeah, I'm gonna wake up my brother for this. Hey, pet brother. I'm not your pet fucking brother now. Pipe down. What day is it? Wednesday. I mean, in the game. Wednesday. How long have you been recording? I don't know. 60 something? Now, go the fuck to sleep. Or play the game, or do something. Do something fluffy. Do something fluffy. Do something fluffy. I know what to do. Keep playing Animal Crossing all day. And what's it telling us to do? Yeah. Oh, Hopper left. I don't know anyone. Ah. So, I'm just over here not caring about your mother's cock and all that good shit. I'm just over here playing Animal Crossing because I don't know. Wait, it says it's 10. And it's 11. Daylight savings time, furball. Change it later. I don't change it now, change it later. I don't give a fuck. You don't give a fuck about anything, brother. I know you. Well, that's trippy. Yeah, brother, make an account on this game. I just fucking did. It's you, alright? You're on here. Yeah, I know I'm on here, but just make another account if you want it. I want to send you mail. If you're sending me mail, I don't want it. If you live with me, you can just tell me in person or in Pony or something like that. I don't know. You forgot to do an All Pony theme song. I'll get on it later. How long is later? You want to play chess with Uzaya Orihara? What? No, he doesn't play chess. He does chess, checkers, and backgammon. I don't know what he does. He's 3-1. Really weird games. I like it. It's weird. I don't even know what my brother's going on about, but William, he's just sleeping. I'm not sleeping yet. You keep waking me up. And I was about ready to fucking sleep, and you woke me up. I just wanted to know how long you've been playing this game. Several fucking days. Right? A couple months. And since the 1st of fucking January. All you do is play Animal Crossing. Yeah, well, I'm letting you play it for a little bit, because I don't feel like it. I feel like fucking sleeping. Now be quiet and let me sleep. He's vicious. I don't care. Oh, shut up. My brother's really vicious. I don't have anything better to do, so I'm just gonna keep doing that and whatever it is. I hope this is actually the one. Yay! No! I just realized something. I'm stupid. Yay. Yay, more money. I'm almost filled to the brim though. So I can't really put anything there anyway. Put that there. Put that there. Put that there. I love Animal Crossing. It's a good game. I don't know why my brother... I don't know why he doesn't play a lot of these games. I mean, it's a good game. He should be playing it daily. Besides, Liam already said he was going to do 365 days of Animal Crossing. So, yeah, and now I have to do some of this. Pesky brother. I said, my brother's fucking pest. Anything good? I don't think so. So I'll just leave that there. I'll actually put this here because I need more money later. Actually, I'll just drop all my money. Well, not really drop it. I just want to give more money to Tom Nook, I guess. I think. Am I doing that? I don't know what I'm doing. So I guess I'm just doing stuff, and there's a ball, I guess. I like balls if they're fun to play with. No, not those balls. Shut up. 50,000. I can't get that done. Yay, epic slide. Um, let's see, how do I do this? Let's make it sleep. Oh, this sounds missing. Let's make it quiet for now so I can restart. Yay, it's quiet. Anyways, guys and gals, I think that's it for this day in this video. It doesn't seem like 10 minutes have passed, but it has. And as always, I'll see you all in the next video and the next day. I guess. Peace out, people in Provo.